Behold, the Queen City of the South. This is Cebu. This destination is a paradise for any type of traveler. Cebu is one of the most diverse destinations in the Philippines. Whether you're a beach bum, an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a food lover, Cebu has something unforgettable to offer. To get here, just fly to Mactan International Airport. Here are the list of things to do when you step in Cebu. 1. Mactan Island Tour. Two. CEBU City Tour. Three. Mobile. Four. Canyoneering Tour. Five. Cebu Countryside Tour. Next, we will hop into their delicious eats. 1. Kaka lechon. 2. Sinugba or grilled food. 3. Ginabo or chicharon bulklak. 4. Puso. 5. Goyong. 6. Dried green mangoes. Here are some places you can stay when you visit Cebu. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates.